Today we're going to show you the power lift. Teresa is going to talk you through how to create this extra root volume. Teresa already washed the hair with the ADDPOWER shampoo, and now she's going to use the leave-in conditioner, which conditions the hair without weighing the hair down. Now we're going to come to style, and we're going to apply ADDPOWER Thickening Spray. And after, to give the style more boost from the roots, we're going to use the ADDVOLUME Root and Body Lift. To finish, Teresa's going to use the HAIRPLAY Dry Wax now, just to break the look up a little bit and just make it look even more natural. And that's how you achieve perfect